Hello. So, hi, good evening, everyone. So, for those who do not know, I am Royce, the eldest among us four. So, Ruth and I have almost 10-year age gap, no? So, we basically grew up, me, not as her partner in crime, because actually, I am the cop who catches her crime and makes sumbong to our parents. So, lagi siyang galit kasi ako yung sumbongera. Okay. So, yes, I am the strict among us three as her achi. And until now, I am still the most strict achi to her, I think. But I want to let you know that, Shobe, you know that achi will always want the best for you. And you know that. Okay? So, I will always tell you, ano ka ba naman, Ruth? But I will also tell you, relax ka lang. Ako nang bahala. So, Mark, from this day onwards, whether you like it or not, you instantly gained 3 achis and 2 ahyas. But don't worry, hindi kita isusumbong. And you know, expect, Mark, that we will love you and protect you as much as we did with Ruth throughout these years. So welcome to the family, Mark, and congratulations to both of you.
So, hi everyone, good evening. I'm Sam, the DT of Ruth. So, growing up, she was the baby of our family. One of the most cherished memories with Shobe was when I was in high school and she was in, I think, grade 1. She would always go up in my classroom in St. Jude just to say hi to me and to my friends or just simply to hug me. Or sometimes she would ask for money para bumili ng something sa canteen. So she would also tag along in some of my lakwachas with my friends and even my date nights with my husband, Johan. We were also roommates for almost 10 years, and with that, we had countless silly and serious conversations from her most hated subject in school to her text mates back then, and to that moment when she started to mention Mark, that guy she was talking to on Instagram. That guy studying in Taiwan, di ba? That guy studying in Taiwan and she was talking to on Instagram. I admit there were times that we would argue like the normal siblings would do, but these arguments would always get overshadowed by happy memories filled with laughters, our little secrets, and dreams. And Shobe, I'm just so happy that you finally found the man of your dreams in Mark. Mark, for the past 6 to 7 years, I've seen how you've always been so nice and patient, not just to our baby girl, to Shobe, but to our kids as well, mga pamangkin niya. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to be a great father in the near future. Yun na, sabi ni Atsi, I know you're used to being the ahya, di ba? Pero starting today, you now have 3 achis and 2 ahyas. So pag minsan, pag tinotopak si Shobe, sumbong mo lang sa amin, kami bahala sa'yo. So lastly, I just wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. May the two of you always remember the reason why you fell in love with each other. You should be each other's biggest cheerleader and biggest encourager. So again, congratulations once again, Mark and Ruth. And I'm looking forward to our food trips and our upcoming trips. Thank you.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. I'm Shanice. I'm the maid of honor, and I've known Ruth since we were in diapers. People always say that sisters are your built-in best friend. And that's absolutely true for Achi, Dichi, and me, and of course the stunning bride, my Shobe, Ruth. Ruth has always been my biggest cheerleader, keeper of my secrets, the yin to my yang, and in the morning, when she decides to wear my clothes without asking me, she was also my WWE SmackDown opponent. When we were kids, Shobe and I are like twins. Pagkakain sa labas, we order the same food. If I cut my hair, cut din niya yung hair niya. If tumaba ako, tataba din siya. Now that we are older, even if we live miles away, nothing changed. We still do the same things together via video call nga lang. And because of her, it felt like I never left home. Being so close with Ruth, we've always kept each other very in the loop about who we are dating. And so when she told me that she had met this guy named Mark, and that this one is different sa lahat, I knew I had to meet this man. And when I met him, it turned out to be 100% true. Short story lang ah. When Ruth and Mark decided to visit me in Canada for a week, nakita ko yung all sides of their relationship. From kakulitan, kalokohan, super serious, and happy side. And from that, I've witnessed the look they have for each other. And that look, I'll never forget. You look at each other as if you guys are each other's home. And in that moment, I knew you made the right decision to choose each other. Mark, you're everything I could ask for my baby sister. I see the way you look at her, protect her, and allow her to always be her beautiful, authentic self. And for that, I always thank you. I have such peace in my heart handling my baby, Shobe. Over to you. Because I know, with my hoping, that you will love her as much as I do. And you'll have just as much fun growing old with her. Dahil sobrang kulit niyan eh. Times 2 ko yan eh. I'm happy lang, Mark, that na-achieve mo yung dalawang route eh. In a week, nakayanan mo. So sure na ako, nakakayanin mo yung buong family. So again, you guys will bring out the best in each other, and it has been an absolute privilege to watch your love grow. I love you both so much. Always remember, Sachi will always be Sachi. Kahit may babies na kayo, I will always be here for you guys. Here's to Ruth and Mark, many years ahead of making beautiful moments together. I love you both.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Hazel, the matron of honor and the best friend of the bride. Ruth and I have known each other since 4th grade, and even early on, I could tell that Ruth was someone whose friendship would stand the test of time. Before we grew closer, we shared a fun phase of teasing and playful banter with each other that allowed us to establish a unique connection. Most days of our childhood, we were each other's ride or die, spending countless hours of goofing around and getting into a bit of trouble together. I can still recall those summer days when we dress up in our finest outfits, striking our best poses, and host our own spa days, pretending we were at a lavish spa. We were the two crazy adventurers in Far Off, often skipping our tutor sessions to indulge in our McDonald's cravings. Let's also not forget the spontaneous sleepovers at my place where we could cook meals and inevitably create a huge mess. We'd spend those nights staying up late and dreaming about the future, imagining what our lives would be like as adults. Now, here we are, turning those dreams into reality. Looking back, those shared experiences created a bond that will last a lifetime. What started as a childhood friendship has blossomed into a sisterhood that I cherish deeply. Ruth, as we grew up, you have always been by my side through the ups and downs, celebrating every milestone together and cherishing each other along the way. You've been one of my unwavering source of support and someone I could always count on. Despite being occupied with med school, you still make an effort to remain a constant companion. You're the kind of friend that's truly rare, and I'm grateful to have you in this journey of life. To others, you may seem to be that bubbly, crazy girl, but as they get to know you more, they come to see how you consistently go out of your way to care for those who you love, and that's what makes you truly amazing. I'll always be that person flooding your inbox with random messages, even if it takes you weeks to read them, because I know you'll always be there when it matters most. Now, as I stand here in one of the most significant moments of your life, it fills my heart with joy to see that you have found your other half, someone who truly complements you with a love that brings out the very best in you. Mark and Ruth, as you embark on this beautiful new chapter of your lives, I have no doubt that with the deep bond you've created, you'll face everything together and grow even stronger along the way. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, laughter, and a love that continues to evolve, along with the countless memories yet to be made. Congratulations, Mark and Ruth.
And thank you very much, ladies. Hazel, Shanice, Samantha, and Dr. Royce. Ladies, can I invite you to please go to the couple, stand behind them, and one picture as a souvenir of you speaking tonight. Thank you very much. One souvenir photo together with